Today we're preparing a traditional and rich Portuguese dessert, Toucinho do céu. Despite the name, which translates to bacon from heaven, this sweet contains no pork. It's a velvety almond and egg yolk cake that melts in your mouth and is loved across the country, especially during festive seasons. Toucinho do céu. 250 grams of sugar, 125 milliliters of water, 10 egg yolks, 125 grams of ground almonds, 50 grams of unsalted butter, powdered sugar for dusting. In a saucepan, combine the sugar and water. Bring to a boil and let it simmer for 5 minutes to make a light syrup. Add the ground almonds to the warm syrup and stir well to combine. Add the butter in pieces and stir until completely melted and incorporated. Finally, add the egg yolks, stirring constantly so they don't curdle. Line a baking pan with butter and parchment paper. Pour in the mixture. Bake in preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. Remove from oven, let cool, dust with powdered sugar, and serve. Toucinho do céu is one of the most iconic sweets in Portuguese conventual cuisine. Rich, moist, and incredibly indulgent. It's a beautiful way to end any special meal. Faça e coma!